Due to the eruption of an Asian volcano, this island has a unique lake within it, Pulau Satonda. 5 unique facts about Satonda Island. Number 1, saltwater lake in a crater. This small island features a beautiful saltwater lake formed by a massive eruption of the Asian volcano. Number 2, hanging stone. This phenomenon is a spiritual part of the place, where visitors place stones on the tree. Interested? Contact us. You can discover other beautiful places like where you can dive, snorkel, trekking. Number 3, rich marine ecosystem.